All right, well, former President Donald Trump is making a trip to Washington, D.C. today to appear at a federal appeals court hearing. It involves his claims of presidential immunity from criminal prosecution.
Our Washington, D.C. correspondent Basil John reporting live for us now on Trump's appearance. Good morning, Basil.
Well, Geronito, good morning. Donald Trump confirmed last night that he will attend the hearing in person, and there he will try and make the case that he has absolute presidential immunity.
I'm entitled to immunity. Every president has immunity.
Tuesday, former President Donald Trump's legal team will make the argument that he has presidential immunity from criminal prosecution for official acts at a federal appeals court in Washington, D.C.
I was entitled as President of the United States and Commander-in-Chief to immunity.
Trump says he should not be prosecuted for his attempts to remain in power after losing the 2020 election.
I was looking for voter fraud, something that I have to do. Under my mandate, I have to look for voter fraud.
In a 4-count indictment, special counsel Jack Smith alleges that Trump plotted to overturn the 2020 election. Trump blames current President Joe Biden as the reason he has to go to court.
These were indictments given and pushed by Joe Biden.
Trump suggests President Biden could face criminal charges if the court rules Trump doesn't have immunity.
So you're saying that Trump shouldn't get immunity, but Joe Biden would? I didn't do anything like he did. I ran a great country.
Now, special counsel Jack Smith pushed for the Supreme Court to weigh Trump's effort to overturn the 2020 election, but the justices said it is best for the case to be heard first in the D.C. Court of Appeals. Reporting live in Washington, I'm Basil John.
And Basil, before you go, I know the president's legal team is trying to keep delaying these criminal cases that are not just in D.C., New York, Florida, and Georgia. Is it because, of course, during this campaign, he wants to hold them off until hopefully, what happens at the end of this campaign?
Yes, so that seems to be the tactic that his legal team is going for, because if they continue to push it through 2024, and if former President Donald Trump is elected and he does return to the White House, it would make it a tad bit more difficult for a criminal case to go up against a sitting president.
Yeah, that makes sense. All right. Thank you so much, Basil John, for that live report. Appreciate it.